Hi, if you have trouble with parking, this might help you. Learn the basics of maneuvering, then parking should be fine.
Touching pylons forth and back, star figure. Drive in between the pylons and touch a pylon with the front of your car. Shift to reverse and touch another pylon behind you with the rear of your car. Touch each pylon with the front and rear of your car, back and forth as shown in the movie. This is a useful exercise to learn to feel the distance at the front and also behind your car. Furthermore, it helps you learn fine steering corrections back and forth. Go on practicing until you're perfect in controlling your car.
More perspectives, practice tasks, all in one app. Use the app, practice, let parking be a piece of cake.